Hey guys, Third World Prepper here with another video, and today we'll be talking about waxed Tinder sticks. Very easy to make. Basically what it is thin cardboard, cotton. You can also use dry lint if you have, and melted wax. I was able to get about 3 to 4 minutes burn time from this. Look at the size of it, and to me that's pretty good. I mean, 3 to 4 minutes should be enough time to get a fire started, get a fire going, you know. And it's also waterproof. You can light this with a match, a lighter, and it would also take a spark. Alright, let me show you guys how to make it.